Good evening. Severe Weather Preparedness Week continues, and tonight we're going to be discussing lightning safety. Nationally, Illinois is ranked 8th in lightning strikes per square mile, and in the state, across the state of Illinois, lightning has been attributed to 107 deaths since the year 1960. Now, most of these deaths do occur whenever someone is outside fishing during a storm or they're near trees outside. So if you do happen to stumble upon a storm and you're outside, of course you'd want to get back indoors, but if you can't, you want to avoid flat and open areas or possibly lie down if you are in a flat and open area, and avoid taking shelter under trees because lightning does like to strike the highest point in a certain area. And in this part of the state, of course, that would likely be trees. Now, that would have been helpful this morning because we did see some more thunderstorms in the morning today. That rain band that we did see has stretched off towards the east coast, and that did leave some pretty significant rain totals in its wake. 9/10 of an inch in Charleston, half an inch in Paris. Across the board for the rest of the viewing area, though, right about 1/10 of an inch, and that did hamper temperatures today. Only back up into the mid-60s across the board, 67 in Charleston, 68 in Effingham, and across the border in Terre Haute, we did see the warmest temperatures at 69 degrees. Now, overnight tonight, we will be seeing conditions back down into the 40s for our low, 44 overnight, with breezy conditions coming from the north, gusting at times up to 25 miles an hour, and partly cloudy skies, but we will see some clouds building into the morning hours tomorrow as you get out the door. Maybe nice to start off with a jacket, mostly cloudy skies, 45 at 7 o'clock, and as you start to enter the mid-afternoon, we will be back up into near the mid-50s, 54, and we will start to see some clouds clearing. And as you look at your daily breakdown tomorrow, 56 for our daytime high tomorrow. Again, clouds are going to be mostly cloudy in the 8 a.m. hour, and we'll start to see them clear a little bit as we approach the afternoon. Winds will be consistent from the north at 10 to 15 miles an hour, which will not be cooling us down immediately, but will be cooling us down closer towards the weekend. Now, looking at your future cast, you may see a spare shower or two if you're in the southeastern portions of our viewing area. That includes places like Robinson and Terre Haute, but the rest of that rain system will be moving out overnight tonight, and we will be left with mostly cloudy skies overnight, but those clouds, again, will be pushing off to the southwest, and we will be seeing partly cloudy skies across the entire viewing area during the daytime portion tomorrow. Now, we won't be seeing these partly cloudy skies for too long because on Thursday, mostly cloudy skies do return, and we could even see the possibility of some evening showers, 59 for our high. Now, of course, this is just a timing thing for Thursday night, but Friday we are expected to see some rainy conditions again, and those rains will continue into the weekend with a high of 58. And we're seeing this change because of what's happening in our upper level air. We've had this west to east pattern in our jet stream that has been promoting these colder temperatures and more neutral temperatures, but we do have this trough of colder air that's currently sat over the Rocky Mountains, and that will continue to move to the Gulf or the Great Lakes states. That includes Illinois. So we will be seeing much cooler conditions, but I do have good news. Spring is right around the corner. Spring, the vernal equinox, isn't exactly 2 weeks from today, Tuesday, March 19th. Of course, the equinox means that we will be having both equal parts daytime and nighttime, which means that will be our first day of 12 hours of daylight. Now, for the rest of your 7-day outlook, again, that rain on Friday will continue into Saturday with highs back down into the low 40s, but on Sunday we will be springing forward, so make sure to change your clocks back up to a high near 50, and for the start of next work week, we should be back up into the upper 50s, so looks like it'll be a little bit of a wet weekend ahead.